Hey guys, it's Anna. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Vlogmas Day 7. Wow, we have completed one full week of Vlogmas. Unbelievable. So today's video is very special because I'm going to be opening my very first Bippity Box, very first one. I'm so excited. I have been wanting to open it so badly, but I just didn't have the time, and plus I knew that I wanted to film this, and I figured might as well wait a little bit while longer and open it up when it's Vlogmas time. Do you guys see my tree? We just decorated it finally, so I figured let me change things up and let me film over here. Anyways, without further ado, let's get into this box. Now, I don't remember the subscription I signed up for. I'm sure it probably says somewhere in the packing slip there, but I feel like mine maybe was like $49 or like $59 or something like that. So somewhere, not the least expensive, but not very expensive. So somewhere in the middle tier. All right, so let me open it up. So it came like this. On the opposite side, it has my address, which obviously I'm not gonna show you, and I didn't have a chance to even put stickers on it. We've been busy. But it came packaged like in a plastic, I don't know, sleeve, I guess you could say. So I took that off, and it had a big sticker that said fragile. So anyways, let's get into this box. I'm excited. I've heard so many great things about Bippity boxes, but I watched a few where people were getting things that they didn't even put on their preferences or on their wish list. So I just hope that I'm not gonna have one of those experiences, because I really want to love this box. I'm talking too much. Let's get into this box. My goodness. Okay, I told you this box came a little while ago. So it looks like, oops. This is Halloween box. Okay, so this is adorable. It says welcome foolish mortals. Sorry guys, we're like in December, but we're like still hanging on to Halloween. We did Coco unboxing. And now we have a Bippity box that's from Halloween. It's all great. All right, so in the back it says, if you got a second, share a photo, video on Instagram and tag them. And my box was created with love by Amanda. Thank you, Amanda. I'm very excited to open my very first Bippity box. I think they changed the name too. I think it was Bippity Boppity something, but now I think it's just Bippity boxes or something like that. I have no idea what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is the packing slip, which we'll get into in a bit. So the box itself looks very pretty. Little things just fell down like little confetti. Okay. All right. I see something. I see something. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me show you what I see. Okay, let me show you like this. So I just broke the seal. So this is what I see, but I saw something right over here. All right, I'm actually gonna open that last. Oh my God, I am telling you, I am so late. So I got a candle from Wish's Candle Co., which is like my favorite Disney scent candle company. Love them so much. Amazing customer service, amazing scents, always a great deal, great quality, just such a great company. And I can leave you a video right over here where I actually reviewed them for the first time, and another very popular Disney candle company that wasn't so good. anyways, that's a whole other video. You can watch it over here. So this says boo to you. I'm sorry, I'm a little too late, but this is still so exciting. Oh, yes, I'm late on opening it up, but it was also, I think it took a little while because this is my first box, and I even remember like reaching out to them, but I think maybe it took a little while because they were going through that transition of I think working on their website, updating the preference list, updating wish lists, changing their boxes names. So I think it took a little bit longer, but anyways, regardless, I'm so excited to open this up. Oh my god, and it says boo to you. Oh my gosh, this, first of all, it has this beautiful glitter. Look at that. Ah, I love this. And of course, this thing has, this candle has a pin inside. It smells like Haunted Mansion. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. I'm gonna burn this in December with my Christmas tree. Okay. So it looks like I think it looks like I have 3 items here. So the next one, oh, this is cute, are these pins. I did put it in my preferences that Little Mermaid is my girl, and I loved her forever and ever. So this is definitely cute, sweet and salty. Meanwhile Under the Sea, I love that. And yes, I forgot if I mentioned, I did put in my preferences that I absolutely love Disney candles. So this is amazing. It says Disney theme park merchandise. So I guess this is from the theme parks. So cute. Okay, now let me make sure I didn't miss anything. All right, so this is special. I got Lillian & Co. I am so excited to open this and to see what I have in here. So it's just, I mean, it's packaged beautifully. It's in this little mesh. I forgot what these bags are called, but this is super cute. Beautiful box. Okay. All right. And then it looks like this inside. I recently ordered one. If you've been watching me for a while, I was going to do a video, like a recent life update, but then I didn't. Maybe later on I will, because I was just like so too emotional. We lost our dog and it was really hard. It's still hard. It's only been a month, literally. And anyways, I don't want to get into this now, but I ordered myself a bracelet from Lillian & Co., which I don't have now on me, but that one was rose gold, and it said there's a great big beautiful tomorrow, because I just needed something, you know, like to look down at my wrist and like remember my sweet guy who's no longer with us. I wonder what I have here. Oh no, I think I got the same one, which isn't bad, but yep. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. I love it, but like literally, my dog's been gone for a month, and I just like 2 weeks ago I bought this. So this is the bracelet. Let me see if I'll show it to you. And so it says there's a great big beautiful tomorrow. It's like I literally ordered it like a couple weeks ago, like 2 weeks ago, and I got it really quick. They shipped so fast, but it's like the universe knew what I was gonna need. Oh my gosh, this is, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. Well, I guess I'll figure it out. I mean, it's not their fault, right? Because I did put it, I think I did put earrings and bracelets into my preferences, and that I like rose gold, but I just never, like, I didn't even think that in my first box, like, I was gonna get Lillian & Co. with the same quote that I just purchased, and like my Boo to You candle. Amazing. This, yes, so now, like, I always enjoyed Carousel of Progress, but now it just like has, you know, a whole new meaning to me. So it's, you know, there's a lot to say here, but it says, you know, the Carousel of Progress is one of the few attractions in Walt Disney World that was touched by Disney himself, and he loved it so much. No matter what happens in life or how tough today is, it is vital that we remember that there's a great big beautiful tomorrow shining at the end of every day. Life goes on. This is very special. This is very special. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I mean, maybe I'll keep it, maybe I'll gift it to a special friend, maybe I'll put it into a giveaway. But this is, wow, this was very nice. I think I got a really good deal over here, a really good box. What do you think, guys? Let me know down in the comments below. How was your first box with Bippity? Okay, so now it's time to see the Bippity packing slip. All right, box was lovingly curated by Amanda. SKU number Amanda, price 0, total 0. All right, so then it says Lillian & Co. Stackable bracelets, Carousel of Progress inspired. It's $32. Disney Parks exclusive pin set, sweet and salty, $15.99. And then Bippity exclusive Wishes Candle Co. 8-ounce candle, inspired Boo to You, is $20. So my box value is $67.99, and I don't remember at the top of my head, like I told you guys, but I'll put it somewhere right over here. I think my box is like $59. I think so. So I think this is a really great value, and like I got stuff that like I'm going to use. Like I'm really happy. Like the pins are amazing. This candle smells the bomb. This is Haunted Mansion. Lillian & Co. This is just, oh my gosh. I wish I would have opened the box sooner, but then I wouldn't be able to video it. But like I'm saying, I think it's like the universe knew what I was gonna need in my life. And it's this beautiful bracelet with this beautiful quote. Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and hit the bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. And of course, subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you real soon. Happy holidays. Bye.